What is up, intelligent souls out there? Yes, it's me, it's Ivy, and I'm back, and again I'm going to share something about mathematics. As a continuation to the previous discussion on algebra, I will now present how I deal with the addition and subtraction of positive and negative integers. Let us start first with this example, 3 plus 2. Of course, we all know that it is 5 because this is positive, right? The rule states that if they have like signs, you will just sum up the numbers or add 3 plus 2. That is why we have 5. And copy the common sign, which is positive in that case, no need to write that. Negative 3 minus 2 is what? Let me just emphasize that there is a different rule in addition and subtraction. But I will just present how I deal with it. Just look at the signs and don't mind of the operation. You have there like signs because you can see 3 has a negative sign, 2 has a minus sign meaning negative. That is why you stick with the rule. If they are like signs, copy the common sign and then add the numbers. 3 plus 2 is 5 still, and copy negative because that is common to them. Next, what if you have negative 3 plus 2? What if you have negative 3 plus 2? They are unlike signs because 3 is negative and 2 is positive. The rule says that if they have unlike signs or they are different from each other, then you will subtract the numbers. 3 minus 2 is 1. Always remember to copy the sign of the bigger number, which is 3. 3 is negative, so copy negative. Okay, I hope you understand that. What if you have 2 minus 3? 2 minus 3. They are unlike signs because 2 is positive, as we all know. Don't mind of the operation, just focus on the signs. They are unlike signs, so 3 minus 2. You subtract the number. It is 1. Again, it is 1. And copy the sign of the bigger number, which is still 3 is bigger than 2. So 3 is negative. Copy negative. You have there these equations. Lastly, if you have 2 minus negative 3, sometimes most of the students find it difficult. But here's how I solve this. I will just look at the minus sign, and it is beside the negative sign of 3. It's just separated by an open and closed parenthesis. Now I will remember the multiplication rule that negative times negative is positive. So I will simplify these two negative signs into positive. I will just copy the constants and then or the numbers. You have there 2 plus 3, it is 5. And if you have negative 2 added to negative 3, applying that technique, you will just again multiply negative to the plus sign or the positive. So negative times positive is negative, right? So simplify that into negative, write it into negative, and then copy negative 2, copy 3. You have there negative 2 minus 3. Again, they are like signs, so you add the numbers and copy the like, the common signs, which is negative. If you realize, you can simply just, no need to multiply it. Okay, no need to multiply negative and positive, because you know that when you have a number negative 2 here and a negative 3 here, meaning they are like signs, you just simply add the numbers and you will still come up with a negative 5. I hope you understand what I'm saying, and if you want to check out the proper rules, you are really I encourage you to do that also. And that is it. Thank you for watching this. I hope you learned something. I hope I did justice to what I want to point out. And please, if you have any suggestions and questions and any comments, please do that. Salamat and God bless us all. Thank you. Bye-bye.